Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 2 secant of t square, number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So I will put this one going here and here. The x we change for this one. So this one we have number 2 secant of t square. We have number 2 secant of t square. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. This one that is about tan t square. The square root of tan t square, you got tan t. And now we need to simplify the square root of number 2 tan t on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 2 go outside, and this one we have secant of t to the power of 3. And now we need to focus on this one. So this one we put secant of t and secant of t square. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t tan t dt dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. So tan t square, that is about secant of t square minus number 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. So you got like this. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. So we put like this. So we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go on here. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one and this one, you got number 2 because this one plus this one, and you have number 2. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. And now we can return back to this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And then I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about arcsecant of s over the square root of number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. So secant with arcsecant, we have s over the square root of number 2. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.